Ludmilla works for a transmission company in Brazil and has the question about reducing costs for right-of-way maintenance, and specifically wonders if there are products to slow the growth of vegetation. Ludmilla, there are growth regulators that can be used. Um, However, they tend to fall under the same sort of regulations as herbicides do. In North America, typically it's a Pest Control Products Act, and so it varies from one area to another. For example, the rules in Canada are different than in the United States. There's one tree growth regulator used in the United States, sold as Cambistat. The active ingredient is paclobutrazol. Let's see if I can say that right. Paclobutrazol, and it tends to be the preferred um, growth regulator because it can be applied through soil injection. There are some other ones, but they require that holes be drilled into the trees and the product injected into the trees. Typically, the carrier is alcohol, and that has had some, let's say, side effects. And certainly, the public is not as accepting of it because you're drilling holes in the trees. But back to the overall situation in terms of regulation. So that is the aclobutrazol is approved in the U.S. It's not approved in Canada. We don't have any tree growth regulators that could be used in a utility setting to slow the growth of trees in Canada. You'd find the same thing. You need to check what the rules are in Brazil and whether or not there are any plant growth regulators that are approved by governmental agencies for those types of applications. There may be some in agriculture, but I don't know, Ludmilla, what the rules are in Brazil that may not extend to use within a right-of-way. And so that would be the place to start, is to check on the regulatory side to see what are approved growth regulators. And then from there, it would be a matter of researching what type of applications they've and results have been obtained for those specific growth regulators. Sorry I can't be of more help, but I cannot be knowledgeable about conditions across the entire world. Thanks, Ludmilla.